Hey, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually transform your Facebook to a different theme, to a different background, and to customize it whatever you like. Now, as you can see, I have a very boring Facebook page. It's completely white. I'm going to show you how to actually change this. Now, it's very easy. You open up a different tab on your browser and you head down to the Chrome Web Store, as you can see right here. Now, from there we open up the Chrome Web Store and we search for the extension called Stylish. Now, it's the first one that pops up. And here we add this to Chrome. Now, what this extension does, it overrides the website and therefore it can change a whole kind of cool themes and different backgrounds and add all sorts of functionality as well. Now here we have the Facebook tab. Simply open up the Facebook tab and here you have a whole bunch of stuff to choose from. Now let's say I want a pink Facebook page. I simply open this up. Let's do a popular one. This one right here. I can install the style, and from there I can check it out. Now, as you can see, I'm on Facebook right now, and it changed it completely. If I want to turn it off, I can actually switch the lever, and it will be turned off. Now, to install another one, let's simply press install. I can check it out, and now I have a style that is with funny pink letters, as you can see right here. And here I can turn this off as well and turn on a different one. Now it's easy as that. Now from there you can customize your own Facebook wall. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.